Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm here to do my food diary plan with me in my Pen and Gear Walmart Traveler's Notebook. It is approximately B6 size. I use a Dollar Tree insert or Dollar Tree planner as an insert in this Traveler's Notebook to document what I eat or to keep track of what I eat. So basically a food diary. I'm not counting calories or anything like that here. I may eventually switch to doing that in a different planner, but for here it's just keeping track of what I eat weekly. So this is what I have for last week. I added some of the food stickers from the food sticker book by the Happy Planner and try to spruce it up a little bit. But this is what last week turned out to be. This is the completed spread. Moving on to week 51, which is December 16th through the 22nd. My birthday is Friday. I had a completely different idea for this plan with me until I realized that it was the week of my birthday. So I'm switching up what I initially was going to do, and I'm going to be using these washies. So it's going to be another Pink Christmas. If you missed the first Pink Christmas, I will link to it in the iCard up above and in the description box below. It was Pink Christmas in my catch-all planner earlier in the month. But these two washies I recently picked up from Michael's. They were on sale, 40% off plus a 25% off coupon. These two I picked up from a D-Stash, actually. This is Simply Gilded washi, by the way. So this is my binder of mostly just doll stickers. So I've got JD and Brooklyn in here, Go Mine and Coco, Peyton stickers. I'm going to take these out. Maybe I'll use the rest of these and save the other sheets. I have 2 sheets of those. Save that other sheet for next year. Maybe I'll use her. This is one of my own dolls, and I didn't do her full body. I think this is a sticker. Yep. I've had those sitting around for a while. Let me see. Do I have any with her full body? Yes. Maybe I'll use my own stickers. How about that? Let's do that. So this doll is available in my shop as a digital download, so you can make die cut stickers, whatever you choose. She's humongous, but I'm going to use her anyway. I'm also going to be using the faux memo. Let me go ahead and cut that on. I'm going to be using that to print my day of the week stickers and possibly my date stickers. I haven't decided for sure. I'm going to go to the faux memo app. I'm going to print this one out. This is the set of the days of the week that I used in my tutorial showing how to make these and get them ready for use with faux memo. So I'm going to go ahead and print this set out. I'm not sure I want to use this one, but I'm going to print it. And again, I have the clear paper in the machine, so I'm going to do thick and print it out. I think I'm going to stick with those. Okay, I think someone left a message saying in the video that I could tear at the perforation or something. There is no perforation on this paper. The printer actually has some teeth here, but you cannot tear the transparent and the semi-transparent papers with those teeth for whatever reason. I think it just has to do with the material that the backing and the actual sticker part are made out of, which is no biggie. I can just cut it off. I'll survive. So I'm all over the place. Let me get it together. I am going to use the thick washi again this week, I think. Let's make sure I get this washi on my birthday. So I'm going to start here. It's kind of very see-through. This Simply Gilded washi seems a lot more buttery and rubbery than other Simply Gilded washi that I've used. I think I want to put the floral here, Santa here, and then I'm not sure what I'm going to do for Saturday and Sunday. I went up a little bit with, maybe I'll go, no, I can't go up anymore. On Saturday to give myself a little more room. Let's see if we can squeeze Santa in here on the first day of winter. I might squeeze him in a few other places too. Just because. Okay, let's white this out. I think I talked about this in my vlog, but everything, I know I talked about it in a previous plan with me. Everything worked out fine with my Mercari sale. She didn't scam me. She did not try to return the product. And it worked out fine. And like the next day after I said all that, I sold something, the one other item that I had listed. So I've sold everything that I had listed. I need to get my photos together and add a couple more products just to see. I'm debating on whether I'm going to sell my Starbucks cups. I have the matte black one and the matte pink. It's a hot pink color. And I've never ever used either one of them. I don't know if I want to keep them or if I should sell them. But, yep, sale went fine. So, I think that looks okay. I kind of want to put this next to all of this up here, but I don't know if that's like too much. I'm gonna go for, I think I put it down a little too low. Just move it up a little bit. Maybe she's too much after all. I think she's just a little too big. Let me see what else I got going on in here. Is she just as big? Yep. She's kind of small, but I don't really want to use her. So I guess I'll use one of these and put her back. That way I can use this too, and it won't be so overwhelming. And I might even trim some of her off. Or no, I'll let her go into the crease. But I'm going to trim just a little bit of the bottom off where it's white at, so that it blends right into the washi tape. And no, maybe I won't make her go in the crease. Where's my ear? Maybe I won't be able to use him after all. Okay, let me see what numbers I want to use. I think I'm going to use the same numbers I did last week. Maybe print them a little smaller. Nope, she has to be over here because of this. So let me find my numbers, and I want to print those out on the phone memo too. So I printed out, I cut 16 through the 22nd from my strip of 1 through 31. And I reduced the size, so now I'm going to print it. I hope I didn't reduce the size too much. I think that's just about right. I wish they had like a little ruler on here so you can kind of get a better sense of the size of what you're printing before you print it. But here we go. Let's get these cuts. I'm just going to cut one side down. So that I can still peel them easily. And come up here and cut in between. I have little dotted lines in between these numbers to help me cut straight. Okay, I decided to add a little bit more because I just wasn't happy with the way it was looking. So I'm going to use this Simply Gilded Bow Washi and just add some foil accents throughout the spread. Okay, I don't use this much, so it's nice to get a chance to actually use that. And now I think I'm just going to do a banner area across the top. I just couldn't leave this blank like that, so I'm going to work on that. I was going to print out Merry Christmas on the faux memo, but it would have been in all black, and I still may do it and just put it over the banner, but for now I'm going to do a banner. This is that washi that has the paper backing, so it's a bit of a headache to work with, but we'll see what we can do. Let's cut a few pieces to work with and then tape it back up. Let's see how much more I can add to it. Okay, I feel better about how this looks now. So I'm going to go ahead and pop it in to the notebook. So I hope you enjoyed this plan with me. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the little gray bell so that you'll receive notification each time I upload a new video. Be sure to check the community tab and my stories for updates throughout the week. Also, check us out over at patreon.com/Scrapcraftastic for more exclusive content and digital downloads. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!